Thanks, Ed. The Whitepine House is a multi-family home that was initially designed for the Marco Polo Design Competition, hosted by Horizon Canada. The competition required using new technology to design a building that could be manufactured for less than $100 a square foot, and we are very proud to have made it to the top 10 with this design, placing 7th overall. This versatile design can easily be reconfigured in any number of ways. Its current iteration shown here has 3 suites, a 2-bedroom on ground level, a 1-bedroom, and a studio suite on the 2nd level. All 3 suites feature separate entrances, private decks, and full kitchens. The 1 and 2-bedroom suites also get a bonus printed eating counter. Each suite has been designed with low cost, accessibility, and privacy foremost in mind. We felt the most pragmatic location to place a 2-bedroom family suite was on the ground level for resident convenience and noise management. For a pair of schoolmates or perhaps a couple striking out on their own, the 1-bedroom suite would be perfect. This suite is designed for people who love being outdoors but still need a cozy and affordable place to relax. Just next door is the studio or bachelor suite. This suite is perfect for the busy single person and sits above the outside bike storage area. Late night studying, or otherwise, won't bother anyone else, as you can easily see in this model. There is a stigma around affordable housing that assumes it will be unsightly and creates barriers for adoption in many communities. We can take down those barriers by providing a construction technique that makes a beautifully manufactured home at a cost to make them affordable to anyone with a good job. Thankfully, we have the technology today to not only reduce the cost to manufacture a home, but a printed wall can also be designed to meet and exceed the exact needs of any location. We can do all that without incurring extra costs, and we can do so with far more creativity in the overall design. Smart design can solve any problem. Thanks. Back to you, Ed.